Good morning, sir. I am S. Dheeraj Reddy from CSE section. Today, I will be presenting on the public address system, generally known as PA system. It is a fundamental application of electronics in our day lives, bridging the gap between associated physics and electronic engineering. Let us see an introduction to PA systems. Introduction to PA systems. Definition: an electronic system comprising microphones, amplifiers, and loudspeakers used to reinforce as a sound source for a large audience. As it is simplest, PA system distribution system for a sound, whether it's principal making an announcement in school or a used in pilot communicating with the passengers, both are same. The primary goal is to communicate to large audience or a noisy crowd. Let us see the block diagram of PA system. The diagram represents single chain. It begins with an input which is microphone which captures sound. The signal then moves to the processing stage to mixer preamplifier, where mixer and preamplifier prepare the signal. Finally, the power amplifier gives the signal and strength to move the physical components of the loudspeaker. Think it has journey from osmotic energy to electrical energy and back to the osmotic energy. It is the block diagram of PA system. Let us see the first input stage, that is microphone. Let us know the function of microphone. Convert sound waves into electrical signals. Types commonly used in microphone. Microphones are transducers in BEEE. We studied transducers as a device that convert one form of energy to another form. For PA system, we usually use dynamic microphones because they are rugged and do not require an external power source. They work on the principle of electromagnetic induction. A coil moving through the magnetic field creates the electrical signal that prepares your voice. Types Types commonly used: moving coil that we saw before. Condenser, highly sensitive, used for highly frequentary requirements. Key concept: impedance matching between the microphone and the amplifier. It's all about the microphone. Let us see the second component, that is the mixer and the preamplifier. Mixer. Mixer combines multiple input signals into a single channel. That means we can input number of signals into a single channel. Preamplifier boosts the weak signal from the microphone to the level that power amplifier can process. It has controls volume, bass, treble, and gain. That means we can control the volume which we want and the bass and etc. The signal coming from the microphone is very weak, usually only few millivolts. If we send this directly to the big speaker, we would hear nothing but noise. The preamplifier brings this up to a line level. The mixer allows us to balance different inputs that we can input into a single channel. For example, if you have a background music and a speaker talking, the mixer ensures that music does not drown out the voice. These are the working of the mixer and the preamplifier. Let us know the third component, power amplifier, the art of the system. Power amplifier is also known as the art of the PA system. Function: increase the power of the signal efficiently to drive the loudspeaker. That means it increase the power coming from the microphones that improves the signal strength efficiently to hear from the loudspeakers. This is where heavy lifting happens. The power amplifier takes the processed signal and increases its current. and voltage significantly. In engineering terms, we are looking for high efficiently here. Large scale installations like that a stadium, we use constant voltage systems like 70 volts, 100 volts to push the signal over long wires without losing power due to resistance of the cables. We can key specifications, wattage, determined by the size of the venue, crucial for minimizing heat and power loss. Note, in large systems, 70 and 100 line amplifiers are used to that these systems used to in stadiums, in meetings, etc. Let us see the fourth component. That is the final component, the loudspeaker. It is the output stage. The loudspeaker is the final transducer. Transducer means converting electrical signal into electrical noise. The speaker is the final transducer. It works in the exact opposite way of a microphone. Electrical fuses causes a voice coil to vibrate, which moves a diaphragm, pushing the air in to create sound waves. We use the speaker based on the environment. Horn speakers are great for throwing sound. Long distance outdoors, while coming speakers provide the warmth. Full range of sound we prefer indoors. These are about the block diagram and its components of the PA system. PA systems. Feedback and noise control. Let us know about feedback. The howling sound caused when that high pitched sound when caused when two microphones occurs when we see this regularly happen in events, in college events, etc. The howling sound caused when two microphones come near. That is feedback. It's a closed loop gain problem. The microphone picks up the sound from the speaker, send it to the amplifier, which send it back to the speaker. Creating a loop. As engineers, we solve this by using directional microphones or by placing speakers in front of the microphone's pickup zone. Solutions. Positioning speakers ahead of the microphone, using directional microphones, using feedback suppressors, and avoiding the two microphones interaction. It is also one of the solution. Let us see the applications of PA system. PA system is regularly used in day-to-day life. Example, education. In school assemblies, lecturer halls, and some teachers use the mic to give lectures. Public safety by giving notification systems in malls, airports, railway systems, announcements in bus stand, railway stations, etc. And also used by the traffic police to clear the traffic. Another application is entertainment. Concerts, that is music shows, live shows and theaters. To see the movie, there are the large sound speakers. Religious places for ceremonies and gatherings. In temple, we can hear some songs about devotion. Let us see the advantages of PA system. There are so many advantages of PA system. Clear communication. Clear, that means we have large students in classroom and there is only 1 hour to give the lecture. Some of the students cannot hear, you are sitting in backside. For us, that problem is reduced by using a PA system. We can give a clear communication, covers large area, easy to operate, useful in emergencies, and we can see disadvantages. Noise destruction possible, requires electricity, maintenance needed. These are the disadvantages of PA system. Let us conclude. Public address system is a perfect example of how to use basic electrical components, resistors, capacitors, translators, transistors, transducers to solve human problem. Success in PA system design depends upon matching the power impedance of each component to ensure the signals remains destruction free. Thank you for your time, sir. Thank you.